We're in a frantic tear down, removing the engine and gearbox because this car is going into body work repair tomorrow. So today we're gonna remove engine and gearbox, fuel tank, and yeah, and that's it. So in the next half day, this engine will be removed. It's running and driving. It's running very well now. No more carburetor overflow or leaks. Engine is healthy, tested and proven. So now we'll just remove it, drop it on the ground, and make this car a rolling shell so that it can be refurbished, restored, rust removed. Okay, here we go. Okay, Intertubes, it is 24 hours since the last video which I recorded of the white color 240Z having the engine removed and the gearbox removed so that it can come to body shop. 24 hours, fast forward 24 hours later, of course engine, gearbox, fuel cell and exhaust has all been removed from the car. The car is almost bare shell, but interior was intact when it was trailered over to the body shop, and we are currently at the front gate of the body shop, secret hiding location. I'm not going to reveal location right now just because I don't want this place to be swamped. I still have two other cars that need to have body work done, and here we go. So we're going in. I think everyone will be surprised because I'm also surprised. It's the first time I'm seeing the car after 24 hours, and it arrived here about 4 hours ago, so maybe 3 hours ago, and here we go. This is the stage of the car. Panels already coming into shape. Doors been removed. Body parts, rear hatch, both front doors has been removed. Floorboard also being cut away. 24 hours ago, engine was still in here. Look at it now. Amazing. This is Malaysia for you. We don't muck around. Once we say we get something done, we get it done. It doesn't always happen the way we want it to, but as you can see, engine bay is pretty neat and tidy as from factory. We've got some rust here and there as usual. These are very common, normal 240Z, Fairlady Z, rust areas. Okay, firewall is intact, but everything underneath the firewall, under the car, has melted away. Was melted away by the salt. Look at that. Tension rod mount is totally detached from the frame rail, and of course this frame rail has been repaired before by the Americans while in America. Very crudely repaired, as you can see. Very crudely repaired. Luckily this car above the floorboard is okay, so anything above floorboard is actually okay, surprisingly. It's only floorboard that's scarily badly decomposed, rusted away. And you can see it's been repaired before. All this has been repaired before, so they had just stuck on layers and layers and layers of metal, sheet metal, not the original floorboard. I don't know where this piece of metal came from. Must be a turquoise colored truck, maybe a Ford Bronco. But yeah, this is still original. That part's original, all original. Driver's side. This car is gonna be reverted back to its original mustard color, as you can see. Yeah. We're gonna have to redo certain parts here. Screws are all messed up. These panels also gotta be replaced. Roof also has got to be repaired. Not so scary on the driver's side. Well, it's a left-hand drive, so this is driver's side. Accident repair has been done here before, looks like. Yeah, looks like, but I could be wrong. At the moment it's a Datsun, not a Datsun. Progress. Very happy. Amazing. Fast. Let's go. So I'm gonna keep these updates coming day by day. Every single day we'll have a new update until there isn't any more, which means the car is totally done, and then I will post the video. Alright guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the morning of day 3. To be honest, when I came yesterday I was a little bit disappointed because they were doing something that I didn't want them to do. It was not to my standard and not what I want the outcome to be. So as I was saying, what was done previously is now going to have to be reversed. I do not want this, all this part will be cut out, although he is already cut and paste a new piece, welded it nicely. It is not the type of work that I want. So half the door will have to come up, will have to be cut away. For example, this kind of work for me is unacceptable. This door has got to be cut right here, and this piece down will have to be remade. This cut and paste job is not acceptable to me, and this piece, this whole door will have to be cut up right here and redone. So this is what they are going to do for me, and it's in the process of getting that done. Funnily, as I inspect this piece, it's a piece that was replaced. It was another, out of another 240Z. It's another 240Z floorboard, and so is this piece. That's why it's green. So this has been replaced and then resprayed. Very weird. We're gonna have to remove all this, all that. Just like how this was removed, complete. It's a big square hole. So this has got to be redone as well. Huge undertaking, but it's got to be done. Here's all the rubbish that we have cut out so far. All these brackets have got to be preserved because we probably need to reframe this back in. So this is all not rubbish, it's actually here for safekeeping. Here's the boots. Yeah. Okay, till later this evening I'll give you another third day update. Alright guys, this is day 6 of the 71 Series 1 240Z restoration, and we've got the doors done the way I wanted it. Yeah, nice. The whole skin is replaced as planned, as discussed. a new inner skin. Okay, floors, we are still deciding how we're gonna tackle this. Meanwhile, remove the fenders to see what the state is of this of its bones. Oh, the usual 240Z problems. All this will have to be rectified. All this will have to be cut out and replaced. We've got fairly okay condition fenders, but look at this. What a rust bucket. Seriously, what a rust bucket. What a rust bucket. We've got to handle all this now. All this to deal with. Hopefully it becomes light work for the guys handling it. Second door is also done the same way as the first door. Day 6 and they've accomplished this much already. So we're looking forward to a speedy recovery. Alright, I will post this video up just so to break it up and not have overly long videos. We will continue this series of 71 Series 1 body restoration shortly. The next car that's today I'm arranging for the 280Z to be sent over here as well, and it will be placed side by side so that they can have a example of all the body panels that needs to be replaced on this car from the 280Z that will be here. However, we don't know the actual state of the 280Z's body. We will find out very soon as it's being arranged to be brought over here today. I have had the dashboard removed from the 280Z, and we're gonna be able to work on the firewall as well. Alrighty. Okay, for those of you who was wondering how much would something like this cost here in Malaysia, it's going to be in excess of 10,000 ringgit. I just came out from the body shop after discussing some the plan of attack with the Series 1 240Z, and to wrap things up, he says it's going to be a running tab. It's definitely going to be in excess of 10,000 ringgit. That's the price indication. I had a figure in my mind which I'm not going to mention now, but I roughly know how much the total bill to repair this bodywork is going to cost. It's definitely going to be in excess of 10,000 ringgit. It's going to be in the vicinity of 12 to 15,000 ringgit, and that's where I'm prepared to pay, and that's what I'm prepared to pay, because in general, that's what these things cost. And looking at the severity of how much rust this car has and how much work that's going to have to go into it, I think that is a reasonable value. Fair or not, I don't know, but the other car which is being done in Johor has a similar projection in costing. Unfortunately, the car in Johor has come to a little bit of a stall because the person working on the car had a slight medical complication and has taken 2 weeks off. So we've been set back 2 weeks on that car. And this car, on the other hand, is actively being worked on by two guys, but they are a active body shop, which means they also receive other cars which needs attention. So it adds up to be a 2-month process for, you know, to restore the entire body. As I said, today is the 6th day of this car being here, and I think the progress has been quite quick so far. I'm happy with the work they've done, the workmanship that has gone into it, and the standard that I want the car to be done and rebuilt the way I want it. They can deliver according to the owner, and so we'll see what happens. We'll give it some more time. They will continue work on this car, and I will continue to update you guys. So this is part 2 of the Series 1 240Z. We're actively working on the Series 2 240Z, which is in Johor, which is on a 2-week sabbatical. However, the mechanical work on the Series 2 240Z in Johor continues. There's not much to be done to it because the 5-speed gearbox and the engine has already started, as you could see in the last video. The 280Z, I was driving it yesterday, and today it's ready to come to the body shop. However, the body shop has got 2 cars that they have to clear before they can put the 280Z in there side by side with the 240. So they have to arrange their time to get the 280Z over here. So with all these projects going on simultaneously, we are going to be able to get one of these cars out as fast as possible, and then hopefully get it on the road and driving. So with that, I appreciate you guys watching up to this point. Like and subscribe. Hopefully you guys comment and let me know what else you want to see. I will do my best to answer and give you all information. With that, thanks for watching. Bye.